Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix display getting off during call on any Oppo phone. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just open settings, then tap on about device. From here, just tap on version, then tap on the version number a few times until you enable developer options. Then enter your lock screen PIN. Once you enable developer options on your smartphone, then go back to the main settings page. And from here, just tap on System and Update. Then tap on Developer Options. And from here, you will find the option of Quick Settings Developer Tiles. Just tap on it. Now from this menu, just enable Sensors Off. And once you enable this toggle, you will enable Sensors Off in the control center of your smartphone. Now the next step is to open the control center on your smartphone, then enable Sensors Off. And once you enable this option, you will turn off all the sensors on your smartphone, including the proximity sensor, which is causing the display to turn off while you're calling. Now to test if this feature is working or not, first of all, just go to your home screen and open the dialer app. And from here, just dial *#899#. On this page, just tap on Manual Test and go to Device Debugging. And from here, you will find the option of Proximity Sensor Test. Just tap on it. Now, before we start the test, let's turn off the Sensors Off option first. Now, as we have turned off the Sensors Off feature, then tap on Proximity Test. And from here, just test if the proximity sensor is working or not. As you can see, the proximity sensor is currently working. Now, let's go back. Now, just enable Sensors Off on your smartphone. Then tap on Proximity Test. Now, as you can see, the proximity sensor is not working. And this is how you can fix display getting off during calls on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.